Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best finishing touch flawless face women razor, the Finishing Touch Flawless New Razor. Let's break down everything you need to know about this compact grooming companion in under 5 minutes. Let's start with what sets this razor apart from traditional models. The new razor isn't your average electric shaver. It's portable, cordless, and rechargeable, which makes it ideal for use at home or on the go. Whether you're traveling or just need a quick touch-up before a night out, this device fits right into your beauty routine with ease. One of the standout features is that it doesn't require any water, soap, or shaving creams. That's right, no mess. You can use it dry without worrying about irritation or those dreaded razor burns. It's dermatologist approved and specifically designed to be gentle on sensitive skin. That makes it a go-to option for tricky areas like underarms, the bikini line, knees, and ankles. Now, speaking of sensitive skin, the razor is plated in 18-karat gold. That's not just for looks, it's hypoallergenic, which helps reduce skin reactions and is suitable for all skin types. So, if you've had trouble with other razors causing bumps or redness, this might be a refreshing change. When you unbox it, you'll find a 4-piece set that includes the razor, a USB charging cable, a cleaning brush, and a safety guard for delicate areas. The razor itself features a sleek design with a built-in LED light. This small addition actually makes a big difference. It helps you spot and shave even the finest hairs, especially in dim lighting. What's unique is its ability to work in both directions. That means no more awkward wrist angles trying to catch those missed spots. You can glide it back and forth with minimal effort, and the results are surprisingly smooth. Charging is easy with the included USB cord. One full charge lasts long enough for several uses, and since it uses a lithium-ion battery, you're not going to run out of power quickly. There's no waiting around, just charge and go. Let's also talk about build quality. The new razor is lightweight but doesn't feel flimsy. At just 6 ounces and compact in size, it fits comfortably in your hand and even better in your travel bag or drawer. It's thoughtfully designed for regular grooming without any fuss. The manufacturer, Idea Village Products Corp., has built a reputation around accessible beauty tech, and this razor continues that legacy. It's even ranked among the top electric shavers in its category and holds a strong position in Amazon's beauty bestseller list. And here's the kicker. While this product is marketed primarily to women, it's suitable for anyone looking for a skin-friendly, portable solution to unwanted hair. To sum it up, the Finishing Touch Flawless New Razor is compact, elegant, and functional. It's gentle enough for everyday use, powerful enough to be effective, and smartly designed for convenience. No creams, no water, no cuts, just a smooth finish whenever you need it. That wraps up today's product breakdown. If you're looking for a razor that blends portability, safety, and style, the new razor checks all the boxes. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews like this. See you in the next video.